Use my speed prediction tool. Click on it, go down to Sledge. A typical battery is 4.2 volts per cell, but you're never gonna get that much out of it. So let's bring it down to 4.0. The pinion I'm using is gonna be a 23. Spur we're gonna use is a 50. Transmission ratio is gonna be 4.3. The tire diameter of the Ragnarok from the Bigrock is 166. Motor kV from the Castle is 1650. And we're going to use a 6-cell LiPo, but because of voltage sag, we probably got to call it 5. So I predict 68 miles per hour on our Sledge with these parameters. 2350 with those wheels, with that motor, with that battery. Let's see how close we come to the prediction. Well, hello, Vidavon. I guess we know. These wheels, let me see what wheels these are. These wheels came from the Bigrock. They're amazing. Definitely better than the ones on the Creighton. They didn't balloon at all. This thing gives me a lot of confidence to drive it. 68 miles an hour. It's incredible. Just took a 68 mile an hour tumble and it just kept on moving. The cool thing about these Vitavon parts, not only are they stamped with Vidavon, but they're also stamped with the word Sledge on it. It says Sledge here, it says Sledge here, it says Sledge here, 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 and here. Vitavon Sledge by Traxxas. Let's go. Bottom line up front, you are looking at the chassis of a 7075 aluminum premium grade Vidavon Sledge. Unboxing on the channel from Befy 7. We're going to assemble it, then we're going to run it. But man, am I excited to show it. So let's get into it right here, right now. Without further ado, I present to you my Vidavon Sledge build. Bag of Vidavon, that's what you're looking at. And a hat. And another hat. Our Sledge upgraded kit comes assembled as shown. SKU SLEDG74. The 7075 T6 aluminum is one of the strongest materials used in the RC game. Famous for improved rigidity and weight distribution. 515 Spectrum receiver, Mamba Monster 8X from Castle, 1717 Castle, 1650 kV, stock shocks and arms. These are wheels from Talion by Arrma, super light. They're also radial. Jenny's RC, shout out. Traxxas Sledge, original body. We have the film on there. It also has some see-through parts. It's the Proform. We're not going to paint it though. And the inside of the body, the cage, that's that. And 4.3 ratio front and rear. This thing's going to be a rocket. ESC is going to go here and the servo is going to go there. 50T. So we got to put this bad boy together. Man, what was I thinking? I don't even own a Sledge. Good thing they have these little instructions. What font is this? Castle Combo plus Vitavon Sledge equals ultimate machine. This is my third 1717 setup. I love this thing. It runs cool, it's fast, and 1650 kV is no joke. You can run it on 8S, but I prefer running it on 6S. The tunability through the B-Link is exceptional. Really a crowd pleaser, I love it. I think they go under. The next project we have is putting the body together. There's a roll cage, body goes on here, and then there's a film, so we gotta pull the film off. So I'm gonna get that done too. Pro tip 8080. The use of soapy water allows you to manipulate these stickers. Allows you time to adjust the alignment and smooth out any bubbles. Starting to look like a truck now, man. From parts in the box to this. Okay, a couple issues that we did have with the Vidavon chassis. First, this thing is backwards. How did I know it's backwards? Because if you turn the center diff, the front wheels go one way and the back wheels go another way. Can you see it? Man, that's crazy. But not the biggest issue. All we gotta do is open up this rear diff, turn it around, and we're good to go. We inspected it, and I like everything about it. So I'm just gonna swap it around and let it go. And I did say a couple. So the second thing that was wrong with this thing was the center diff was leaky. So we'll fix that too. Center diff, Vidavon 52 spur gear. Well, it's wet. It's wet because it's leaking. It's leaking and now it's empty. So I'm gonna service it, put 1 million in it, put it back together, good as new. RPM branded ESC plate to hold that Mamba Monster 8X in place. Hate to see a Mamba Monster X rolling down the road when the car takes a tumble wumble. Come on, man. Secure your ESC the right way. And this job, man, my first time doing this job, I'm gonna take these motor A, B, and C leads and I'm gonna make them a 90-degree angle so I can have a low profile look to this thing. I think I first saw it on a TikTok and I was like, man, I gotta have it. Got to have it. So I'm doing it. Wish me luck. The smoke you see is actually the resin burning off of the solder. So that's a good thing. Not a good thing is inhaling this stuff. So make sure you get a fan before you do it. That 90-degree angle, that low profile look, that's exactly what I was going for. I give myself a B+. And if you're still with us and you're doing this at home, make sure you orientate this thing the right way so it'll lay flat. And on that receiver, remember, 1 to turn, 2 to burn. Now it's time to wake it up, bind it, and see if it works. Yeah, man. So for the second time, I gotta mount the ESC to this RPM mount. Installing the sensor cable to the ESC and the motor. I couldn't believe this bad boy didn't come with a front bumper. Man, I mean, the Vidavon has a bumper, but I didn't want to scratch that up. So RPM to the rescue. This T-brace is solid engineering, but man, it's expensive. And we had to remove this chassis brace just to get it in. But this little fella lives right here. Full disclosure, people, I picked this green because it was the only color Jenny's RC had in the set. And we went with Jenny's RC so we can save some cost. But with the Castle Creations Green 1717, I think this thing looks pretty swank. And this blacked out truck body, man, this thing is tough. And this video doesn't do it any justice. This thing has metal flakes, it has clear parts, it's nice and shiny, super impressive. And don't forget the Loctite, we used the whole bottle. Like and subscribe will help the channel, guys. Help me out. Took my first tumble and that thing smoked it. Vidavon, check it out.